Welcome to 6410 Butlers Crest Drive. Wonderful curb appeal, quality finishes, and nearly a half-acre lot with privacy and yard space to enjoy. The home shows beautifully, with a flexible floor plan, having 3 to 4 bedrooms on the main level, plus a spacious bonus room or bedroom with bath upstairs. A perfect home for family or visiting guests, with beautiful kitchen offering 42-inch wood cabinets with crown, granite tops, stainless appliances stubbed for a gas range, a breakfast nook, open to the spacious family room, and a gas fireplace. Also, formal dining room and living room for entertaining and holiday gatherings. The owner's retreat has double tray ceiling, 2 closets, bath with dual sinks, a soaking tub and walk-in shower. A 3-car garage, covered work area, solo-heated saltwater pool and spa, and coveted southern rear exposure. The plantations at Terra is a well-maintained, membership optional, golf community offering a superior location, no CDD fees, and a reasonable HOA fee, a rated schools and walkable to Jigs Landing for fishing or kayaking. This hidden gem of a home is a must-see. Call today for a private showing.